Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to lock a page in Notion. The first thing I'd like you to do is to sign into your Notion account by typing notion.so in your browser search bar. Any browser of your choice will do. Now, once you do that and you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Notion. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to lock a page in Notion. To lock a page in Notion, these are the steps that you need to take. The first thing you need to do is to open the page that you want to lock. So navigate to the side panel or the left navigation panel and select the page from the existing page options. And once you do that, open the page. The next thing is to access the page settings. How do you access the page settings? Click on the three dots menu, that's the ellipsis in the top right corner of your page. And here you're going to be presented with a wide variety of options, including small text, full width, suggest edits, lock page, table of contents, customize page, turn into wiki, copy link, duplicate, move to trash, undo version history, show deleted pages, view analytics, notify me, import, export, and down to connect to. I'm just trying to let you know that if you click on these and you do not see all of these options that I have explained or I have highlighted, then you are not in the right space. But if you see them, then you are in the right space. From these options in the drop down menu, go ahead and select or go ahead and find lock page. Here is lock page, and you have a toggle right next to it. Now, if you toggle this on, it means your page will be locked. If you toggle it on, it means your page will be locked. And if your page is locked, it means that it cannot be edited by anyone who does not have the necessary permissions. Now, to unlock the page, if needed, all you need to do is to toggle it off. And once you toggle this button off, it means your page will now be accessible, and anyone who has the link with the necessary permissions will be able to make modifications like editing the page itself. So locking the page helps prevent accidental changes or edits, especially in collaborative environments. So don't forget the process. Click on the ellipses and select lock page, toggle it on, and the page has been locked. Toggle it off, and the page has been unlocked. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.